The Transportation FCU mobile app gives you the flexibility to manage your finances from the convenience of your mobile device. Here are a few of the features that can help you save time and money. To begin, all members logging into the mobile app for the first time will need to tap on First Time User and create a new username and password, even if you were registered with our previous mobile app. Keeping your personal and financial information secure is a priority, and so is convenience. There are 4 different ways to authenticate your identity and access your accounts through the mobile app: by voice, by PIN number, by Face ID, or by username and password. If you log in with a username, you'll also need to select a security question and answer for added protection. Once you're logged in, taking care of your everyday banking needs is easy. Tap on Deposit to make deposits of checks using your phone's camera and save yourself a trip to the branch. You can transfer funds by tapping Move Money and selecting an option from the menu. Our quick transfer option is ideal for transferring money between accounts. Simply select a few details, enter an amount, and verify the information. To review your account details, tap on Accounts. You can set specific accounts as favorites, so they'll appear at the top of the menu each time you log in. Tap on an account to access recent transactions and other information. Additional features are available when you tap More. Customize your Transportation FCU mobile experience by tapping here. You can also switch between accounts, set up e-alerts so you receive regular notifications of transactions, send secure messages, and more. Download the mobile app today from your App Store.